Capture unforgettable impressions. Create a take-home booklet or webpage for your home. It's not a thought that typically crosses your mind, but consider this. Your home needs its own souvenir shop. When it comes to selling your home, my goal is to ensure that potential buyers remember your property long after their visits. Imagine this scenario. Prospective buyers visit your home along with 4 others on the same day. In addition to in-person visits, they're also browsing through multiple online listings. With so many options, it's easy for buyers to become overwhelmed and confused. They may even start blending their experiences and misremembering details about different properties, creating a hazy recollection of each one. Rest assured, I won't let that happen to you. Simply reach out to me and I'll bring my professional photographer to create marketing materials that go beyond the standard MLS flyer. Our comprehensive marketing approach includes interactive property brochures that span multiple pages. These brochures highlight your home's exceptional features, upgrades, and top 5 standout assets that set it apart from the competition. We'll also include valuable information on schools, the community, amenities, floor plans, and much more. Additionally, we'll establish a strong online presence for your home, utilizing social media platforms, YouTube, blogs, a dedicated property website with a memorial URL, and a variety of videos showcasing your home's best features. These marketing pieces will serve as a reference for buyers to accurately remember all the remarkable aspects your home has to offer. With my skilled marketing team at the ready, we'll create compelling marketing assets for your home and build a dedicated web page that keeps your property fresh in the minds of potential buyers. Whenever they're ready to make a decision, your house will be at the forefront of their thoughts. Choose excellence and let us help you sell your home for top dollar. Contact us today to discuss creating unforgettable marketing materials and a personalized webpage that will leave a lasting impression on buyers.